If you're in the market for a ThinkPad, your choice is really between some of the heavier, more powerful models from Lenovo or the thinner and lighter X1 models. Now there's the ThinkPad X1 Extreme, which aims to combine both of those features. It's the largest X1 model yet, with a 15.6-inch screen, but all that extra room allows it to pack in more hardware than before. It has dedicated graphics with NVIDIA's GeForce 1050 Ti Max-Q GPU, and it can fit in up to 64 gigabytes of RAM and 2 different storage options. So basically, you can build this machine to be a beast. But at the same time, it's sleeker and more stylish than some of the boxier ThinkPads out there. And it's also not that heavy in terms of workhorse machines. The 1080p model weighs 3.75 pounds, while the 4K touchscreen models is a little bit over 4 pounds. And of course, it has a great ThinkPad keyboard and that red trackpoint nub that Lenovo fans really enjoy. This is really Lenovo's main MacBook Pro 15 competitor, and it's aiming to go up against the Dell XPS 15 and Asus's ZenBook Pro. We haven't really had much time with it, but based on the specs alone and from the design I'm seeing, it looks like a really compelling option. With that graphics, it'll actually be a decent gaming machine, but also you can pack in enough hardware there to do all sorts of work. It doesn't seem very stylish at first, but it's also very subtle, and compared to some of the other ThinkPads, it is a lot slimmer and sleeker. We'll have to put the ThinkPad X1 Extreme through its paces to really see if it lives up to Lenovo's expectations, but seeing what we have from the ThinkPad line, it's likely a very powerful machine. The ThinkPad X1 Extreme will be available for $1,900 starting in September. Stay tuned to Engadget.com for more news from IFA.